If you want to change the display picture or the profile picture in WhatsApp, then what you do is go ahead and open WhatsApp. Tap on settings. Now this one at the corner here is the display picture, or what we call now as profile picture of my WhatsApp application. So if I want to change it, I will tap here. I will tap on this edit here. Then I will select edit. I have two options. Either I can take a new photo or I can choose photo from the photo gallery. So let me choose photo from the photo gallery. Choose photo, and then I will go to the picture which I want to set as the display picture. For example, this one here. Now from here you can zoom in or you can zoom out. You can move the photo to the left or to the right. After making adjustment, select choose at the bottom, and now the profile picture or the display picture in WhatsApp is set. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.